Hi guys, here's me again, Claudia from Blue Macao House. Today we're gonna be doing a bird treats diet. Then we got used to it. So it's just like when we started, that's the funny part. Are you ready? I will go through all the process for you guys. It's really not that big deal, and I want to make everything looks very simple so everyone can do it in home. All right, we got all the veggies today fresh out of the fresh market today, and we got broccolis, we got the Swiss chard, we got the carrots, we got the kale, all the fresh greens today, which it took me about half an hour to go to a Whole Food market and buy all the greens. The beans, it's one thing that I did a little bit apart, like I started preparation yesterday. I had all the beans soaked in water overnight, so they will be here ready for us to boil everything. And this is a really good chips for you guys. You can get the beans, you can get all the dry ahead of time and keep it home. So once it's a time to prepare, you have pretty much everything in home. You just need to go to the Whole Food and get the greens. So I hope you guys enjoy this time with us and have fun. All right? Hey guys, look at what I just got an email. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Look at what it is, guys. This is awesome. It's the Bird Trick Diet Recipe Book. Oh my god, this is so cool. I have the virtual one on my iPad, which I got the recipients, and here you got everything really detailed. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Oh, that's so nice. So here you have all how you can use the feeding systems. Oh my god, the right choice for each batch. So, and then you have the rules. Like, this is really good, important, and once you learn this rule, you can make your own batch from any kind of ingredients you want from the season. So this is, let's see here, this is the winter to spring. Then they have the summer recipient, they have fall, winter. So wow, the sprouting. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at how, wow, this is amazing, guys. This is, it's a must to have a book in your house, totally, if you have a bird. All right, so we're gonna start the fun part now, since I was just waiting for my cooktop cool down, because for the sake of my birds, I know they're gonna land there, so I'll just take a little time to everything cool down. I don't have the concern with Aiko because Aiko, she'd never ever fly away from her perch, so she's always good in there. But my other birds that I'm gonna be around here enjoying this is gonna be really fun and a little kind of psycho. So let's gather everybody out. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Are you ready?
How's that for my range?
Thank you guys for watching, okay? And please let me know if you guys have any question, if you guys want to know any more details about everything that was going on today, about the diet, recipe, if you guys want to know a little bit more about my birds, just leave a comment below and please subscribe to the channel, okay? Thank you so much for watching. And yes, if you guys have any more questions, if you guys really want to know about this thing here, I will explain it to you, okay? Maybe the next videos.